Alright, we're on.
We did it.
Hello everybody. Steve and Brian.
Freezing to death.
Freezing to death. Let's have a look at this fire here. Yeah. That's what kept us alive. Mike and Ned saved the day.
I go out and show them the snow.
Yeah. There's some of the thru hikers.
The lazy ones.
The legendary thru hiker. What's your trail name?
Tapeworm.
Leprechaun.
Big camera. Knees.
Sweet knees.
Snuggles.
Snow. Okay. I heard tapeworm's renowned. I've heard him all the way through. Oop, wrong way out. There we go. Here we are. In the snow blizzard. Can't hike out because it can't even see the trail. There's the trail. We've been scrapping for firewood for hours to keep warm. There's Snuggles again.
Horrible. There's a bathroom in this.
There is no bathroom.
I know! God!
It looks like it's trying to clear off. The snow finally stopped. We've got drifts at least 2 feet deep here. And the wind blowing. Let's see, get the name.
Alright, I'm going on the other side of here, okay?
Okay. I gotta remember the name of this shelter. There's our firewood.